Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to another delicious episode. Today I'm going to show you how to master the art of grilling salmon with veggies. This is a fantastic recipe that combines the rich, savory flavors of salmon with the fresh, vibrant taste of grilled vegetables. This healthy and delicious recipe is perfect for any night of the week. Whether you're cooking for your family or hosting a dinner party, this dish is sure to impress. So let's get started. Roll up your sleeves, put on your apron, and let's dive into this culinary adventure. First things first, let's talk salmon. The quality of your salmon is crucial to the success of this dish. I like to use fresh, wild-caught salmon fillets. They have a richer flavor and a better texture than farm-raised salmon, which can sometimes be a bit bland and mushy. The difference in flavor and texture is noticeable, and it really elevates the dish. Plus, wild-caught salmon is often more sustainable. Make sure your fillets are about an inch thick for even grilling. This thickness ensures that the salmon cooks evenly and stays moist and tender. Now, on to the marinade. A good marinade can make all the difference in the world. In a bowl, mix together olive oil, minced garlic, lemon juice, and a splash of soy sauce. These ingredients create a perfect balance of flavors. Add a bit of honey for sweetness, and season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. The honey adds a subtle sweetness that complements the savory flavors of the salmon. Whisk it all together until well combined. This ensures that all the flavors are evenly distributed. Place your salmon fillets in a shallow dish and pour the marinade over them. Make sure the fillets are well coated. Let them sit for about 15 minutes. This gives the flavors time to really soak in and penetrate the fish. This step is crucial for infusing the salmon with all those delicious flavors. While the salmon is marinating, let's prep our veggies. Fresh vegetables add a wonderful contrast to the rich salmon. You can use any vegetables you like, but I recommend bell peppers, zucchini, and red onions. These vegetables grill beautifully and add a burst of color to your plate. Cut them into bite-sized pieces and toss them in a bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. This simple seasoning enhances their natural flavors. Alright, time to fire up the grill. There's something about grilling that just brings out the best in food. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. This is the perfect temperature for grilling both the salmon and the vegetables. Make sure you oil the grates to prevent sticking. This is a small step, but it makes a big difference. Place the salmon fillet skin side down on the grill. This helps to keep the fish moist and prevents it from falling apart. Grill for about 4-5 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of your fillets. You want to get a nice sear on the outside while keeping the inside tender. You'll know they're done when the flesh is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. This is the perfect indicator of doneness. While the salmon is cooking, go ahead and grill your veggies. The high heat of the grill caramelizes the natural sugars in the vegetables, enhancing their flavor. Spread them out in a single layer on the grill. This ensures that they cook evenly and get those beautiful grill marks. Cook them for about 10 minutes, turning occasionally until they're tender and have those beautiful grill marks. The grill marks add a wonderful smoky flavor, and there you have it. A beautiful, healthy meal that's bursting with flavor. Perfectly grilled salmon with a side of delicious veggies. The combination of the tender, flavorful salmon and the charred, smoky vegetables is simply irresistible. The salmon is tender and flavorful, and the veggies are charred to perfection. Each bite is a delightful mix of textures and flavors. Serve it up with a wedge of lemon and maybe a sprinkle of fresh herbs on top. The lemon adds a bright, tangy finish, and the herbs add a fresh, aromatic touch. It's a meal that's as healthy as it is tasty. Packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals, it's a great choice for a nutritious dinner. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I hope you give this recipe a try. It's a simple, delicious way to enjoy the flavors of summer. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy grilling and see you next time.